of skin. The combination of the oils and That's That Magic also have nutrients, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory properties that help to heal damaged skin, promoting smoother and softer skin. Many of these oils are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the skin on your feet from damage caused by free radicals and environmental stressors. A soothing massage with That's That Magic can promote relaxation, reduce stress, ease tired feet. That's That Magic can improve elasticity, repair skin damage, and reduce signs of aging and irritation, leaving feet looking and feeling healthier. A few tips. Do a daily foot massage after drying feet. Massage the oil mixture in a circular motion to nourish the skin and improve circulation. Additionally, for deep hydration, apply That's That Magic to your feet before bed and wear socks overnight to lock in moisture.